Is your pool pump motor humming but not turning on? It could be a sign of a bad run capacitor. In this video, we'll show you step by step how to safely and easily replace your run capacitor. If you're not sure how to test a capacitor, we've linked a helpful video in the description. Let's get started. Alright, first we want to mention the tools that you'll likely need for this project. A pair of pliers, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a voltmeter. Okay, before you begin, you want to make sure that the power's off, so go ahead and turn it off at the breaker. Alright, next we're going to remove the capacitor cover using a Phillips head screwdriver, and we're going to remove the two screws, one on each side. Once the screws are removed, go ahead and remove the capacitor cover. At this point, you can use your voltmeter or non-contact voltmeter to make sure there's no power going to the motor. There's a chance that an old capacitor can still hold a charge, so we're going to use an insulated screwdriver and we're going to lay the metal part across the two terminals, and that'll neutralize the old capacitor if there is a charge. Next, using a pair of pliers, we're going to remove the wires carefully from the capacitor, and you want to make sure you do it carefully so you don't damage the wires. When replacing your run capacitor, there's two things you want to look for. You want to look for the microfarad rating. So on here it says 30 UF, that's your microfarad rating. And then you also want to look for the voltage, which is 440 on this particular capacitor. And when you're replacing them, you want to make sure that the microfarad rating is exactly the same, and the voltage rating needs to be equal to or greater than what's listed on the capacitor. Alright, with the new capacitor in hand, go ahead and re-plug the cables in with the pliers. And in this case, it doesn't matter which wire goes to which terminal, just one on each. Alright, now you can reinstall the capacitor cover using the Phillips head screwdriver and reinstalling the two screws. At this point, you're ready to turn the power back on at the breaker. And that's all it takes to replace a run capacitor. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIY pool maintenance tips. For all your pool and spa needs, visit inyopools.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.